The market is crashing, and what a day to have a portfolio reveal and update for my channel. And by the way, we are also gonna look at what sort of actions I'm gonna take for this crash, what I'm gonna buy, what I'm gonna sell, everything in this video. And let's get straight into it. Let me just get this thing going. There you go. First of all, let's have a look at my Trading 212 general account called Invest as well. And it's now actually struggling a little bit. It's on 27%, which is not bad, to be honest. Alpine for Technologies is doing okay with just 5% up. Amazon is one of my main positions, to be honest, and still struggling at 5% down. So not great, to be honest. I'm not gonna add any more Amazon. I mean, it's one of the biggest companies in the S&P 500, and so I don't think it's got a too much runaway. It can grow even further, but if you think that it's already one of the biggest ones, I would rather maybe hunt on one of the smaller dogs, you know, maybe a Tesla. We'll see about that later. And then we have American Battery Metals down 65%. I'm holding, guys. I'm not gonna sell this one, even though it's one of the positions that is down the most in my portfolio. It's a very speculative play, and we're gonna go through and find so many speculative play in my portfolio. Because it is a speculative play, you have to know that these kind of things may happen to it. And so again, another lithium play, American Lithium Minerals, again down 61%. This one is a company where I actually invested double the amount that in American Battery Metals, and again it's down 61%, so that's quite bad. Not buying any more of that for the moment. Arrival minus 53%. And again, you may think, how come your portfolio is up 27% with all these stocks that are down? Well, we're gonna get to that later, so stick around. And BYD, it's just down 6%, which is great. It's holding out. Half of the drop actually happened today. So today is actually a great day to buy, because I actually bought very low. And to be honest, how much money have I got on this account? Let's have a look. Maybe we're gonna even place an order. No, I don't have enough money. I'm gonna buy some more. I think today is a good day to buy a company like BYD. That is profitable, that is stable. Last time I checked, they had a cash flow issue, but they've been growing so much and they've been investing so much as well. They're the main competitor for Tesla in China. And so that's a company that you really need to put more money, and I have to put more money as well into it. The only problem with that, if you live in the UK like myself, you cannot put it in your ISA, and that's the main issue. And by the way, if you live in the UK, get yourself a FREETRADE account, because at this stage it's the cheapest investing account you can have in the UK compared to Trading 212. At the moment, the Trading 212 does not accept any more applications, and so the second best alternative is FREETRADE. And so get yourself a FREETRADE account by using the link in the description below, and I'll get a free share as well, both of us, and it's up to £200. Last share that I got was £18, and that's just for a 5-minute, you know, exercise, so not bad at all. And then moving on, we have Canoe, another one that took a massive hit, minus 39%. And then Cirrus Logic, 14% up. Not bad, to be honest. This is one that I bought quite early, and as you can see, I bought very low, and that's the reason why it's doing well. Plus, it's a profitable company, and so you know that in this market that is really struggling, you need to buy companies that are profitable. That's the only way to deal with these market crashes. And that's basically already a foreshadowing to what I'm gonna tell you later in the video. So another company that is not doing too well is Drone Delivery Canada, minus 18%. DSG Global, this is insane. Like, how can it be only down 8%? And I think most of it, let's have a look at it. Most of it, no, actually just about 2% is due to the exchange rate. But overall, it's a company that it's a very long-term hold and a very speculative play. But very speculative, like 100% speculative. So take it with a grain of salt. Fastly, minus 17%. It looks like the good days are now, but anyway, 12% down. This is another company that I'm gonna hold. And then we have Hcmc. This is unfortunately a company that is really struggling, and I've reviewed it on this channel. Again, speculative play, so I'm gonna hold on this. Hyliion, the second SPAC we had last year, and unfortunately, even though look at how low the price was when I bought, and there you go, it's still dropping like a stone. And by the way, Jim Cramer said that it was such a great company to buy below $12. Jim Cramer, this is what's happening. Just saying. And Lake Resources, this is another lithium play, but I bought very low, and it's holding out together. Holding out very well, that's what I meant to say. And then Li Auto, again down 32%, even though they are the only of the three challenger Chinese companies, the only one that is profitable as of now, and it's Li Auto. But then again, they've just taken up a lot of that to launch a new model. That's something for you if you've been following this channel. And by the way, if you want to actually have a look at my portfolio, I also post screenshots of it once a week on a Saturday. And again, it's all free, and you just have to join my free Discord group, and it's gonna be the second link in the description below. The first one is going to be my Patreon. If you join my Patreon, I'm gonna help you personally building your portfolio. And also, if you want to interact with me, well, on Zoom, if you can call it personal level, but it's on Zoom. So anything else we have, Nano Dimensions, 3% up. So this is actually a good moment to buy for me as well. 3% up, and most of it, the biggest punch I got was actually from the Forex, so I should have been way higher. So I'm actually gonna load up on some good stocks today. So we're talking Nano Dimension, we're talking BYD, and then NIO I bought very low. So I'm gonna hold on to it, and actually NIO is one of my biggest positions, 506. We're gonna look at how much these positions are just slightly later in the video. Then Nvidia, and that is 6% up. Wow, this thing is going out like a rocket. Today is gone up. Literally, it wasn't. I might have had. No, there you go. Always the Forex holding me down. But anyway, Nvidia is a stock that is actually a very good one because they also pay a dividend. But overall, I'm just gonna hold. Not gonna buy any more of this for the moment. Open Door. This is a company that I had a moment where I was up over 100%, and now I'm down 2%. Just a good hold for the moment. Pinduoduo. I don't even know how to pronounce this one. It's down 18%. I'm just gonna hold. Slack. This is a company that has been just going sideways for the last 3 months, basically. And I'm just gonna hold. It's just very stable company for the moment. Tesla, my Tesla. Oh God, what I'm gonna do? Not gonna buy. So then the Cheesecake Factory up 150%. What the actual fudge or cheesecake? It's just incredible. Like I wish I bought more, but there you have it. 150%. The highest, the most. The company with the highest gain. Wow, insane. Then the reason why this portfolio is so stable, and you can see here straight into the allocation area, most of it is commodity that I bought very low. Crude oil that is now up 81%. And if you again want to have a look at another speculative play more in detail and the latest news, how about IDEX? The video on the screen right now are the latest news on IDEX stock, an EV play. So click on the video.